in this problem we're going to look at what's called the active buzzer, which is the one that has the sticker on the top, like so. Okay, very easy to wire, as you can see on this guy. You've got the wire or the speaker right here, and then basically you've got a plus side and a minus side. The minus side goes to ground, positive side goes to, in our case, channel 12. Okay, so we put channel 12 on there. So let's go over to the code right here, and you can see that we set up a variable called buzzer 12. Basically, anytime you see buzzer, that means 12. So when we go ahead and do our setup, we set pin number 12, which is, again, buzzer, as an output. Okay. Now here's our void loop. Okay. So notice it starts with a sound duration of 500. Again, we're going to put this into a delay, so that's going to be a half a second. Then I do a loop going from 0 to 20. Okay, so it's going to go through this loop 20 times. Okay. Within that loop, it's going to do this bunch of if statements. So if is less than 5, the sound duration is going to be 500. If it's less than 10, it's going to be 300. If it's less than 20, it's going to be 100. So what this basically says is it's going to do this for the first 5 things, okay, where it's going to have a duration of half a second. Okay. Then from 5 to 10, it's going to be in this if statement where we have basically 0.3 seconds. Okay. And then from 10 to 20, we're going to be in here where it's going to be a tenth of a second. Okay. And then you see what happens is from that duration, it's going to turn the buzzer on high, wait whatever that duration is, then turn it low so it waits for another duration. So for the first 5, it's going to go on half second, off half second. For the 5 after that, from 5 to 10, it's going to be on 0.3, off 0.3. And then for the last 10, from 10 to 20, it's going to be on 10th, off 10th. Okay. Then it's going to get out of that if statement, or I'm sorry, that for loop, right? This is the whole for loop. And you can see then it's going to basically flip that thing on and be on for 5 seconds. Okay. So basically it's going to be half second on off 5 times, 0.3 seconds on off 5 times, 0.1 seconds on off 10 times, and then on for 5 seconds, and then loop that whole thing back over. That's essentially what it's going to do. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to plug this in, and hopefully you can hear it. And again, it'll do what I just described. There's the half second. 0.3, 0.1, on for 5. It may be tough to hear, but hopefully that makes sense as we go through that.